Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view the PlayStation Network to see if it's up and running, or maybe if the store is down or anything like that. So sometimes you won't be able to play online, and you can go to Settings right here, and then go to Network. Then go to Connection Status, go to the right, and then go to View PlayStation Network Status. Now you might be able to see if you're signed in or not right here. Looks like I am, but let's go to View PlayStation Network Status. And it's going to load this web page. And then you can see information about all the services. So you can see account management, game and social, PlayStation Video, PlayStation Store. So sometimes the PlayStation Store might be down, and it looks like everything is good to go. So if this page doesn't load, that means you're not connected to the internet, and you want to go ahead and just check right here. And it says I'm connected to the internet, and I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Maybe you just have to unplug your modem and your router from the wall outlet for a minute and just reset your network, and that can get that going again. But it's very easy to check the PlayStation Network status on this page. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.